Welcome to Rose's Style. The bird and the ant. A tale of friendship. In a green forest, a little bird sang on a tall tree. Our feathers were red and shiny, like a bright ruby. Down below, a tiny ant carried a big leaf to her home. Suddenly, a big lamb came. The ant slipped into a puddle and cried, "Help!" The bird flew down fast and picked up the ant with her beak. She put the ant on a dry leaf. "Thank you, kind bird," said the ant. The next day, the ant surrendered, getting ready to kill the bird with an arrow. But just as he was about to shoot the bird with an arrow, the ant stung him in the heel, so that the pain made him miss his aim, and the startled bird flew to safety. "Thank you, tiny friend," chirped the bird. Moral of the story: helping each other makes the best friends.